Hello, Morgan Stark.
Hey Edith, could you please display my notes on thermonuclear astrophysics?
Wait, could you open that file, please?
So tell me about the game.
Good morning to you too, Morgan. I'm doing well, thank you for asking.
What's my father's game? Doing in Wakanda, Shuri.
I didn't think you'd find out this soon.
Well, since I did, would you mind elaborating on it?
The objective of the Fusion Logistics for Intelligent Protocols, or FLIP, was to train the Avengers to harness as much fusion energy as possible to power Ultron. Ultron was the peacekeeping protocol your father and Dr. Banner created to protect Earth from alien invasions. The Avengers are separated into two teams and must compete to gather as much fusion energy packets as possible. At the beginning of the training, the Mind Stone drops these energy packets at a certain rate on a conveyor belt. However, it's not moving. Yet. To collect the packets, a team must hit a plate of the team's color, which will activate the conveyor belt in their direction, and it will switch direction every 30 seconds. 1 minute after it starts moving, and not before, each team can hit their plate only once during a round to reverse the direction of the conveyor belt. The ball actuator doubles the drop frequency of the packets. The mushroom actuators increase the speed of the conveyor belt by a factor of 1.5 or 2. The twister, if maintained pointed towards the conveyor belt for 3 seconds, would halt it for 10 seconds, which would cause a pileup of packets. As for the arch actuator, teams can choose one of 3 outcomes: either triple the drop rate, decrease to half the speed of the conveyor belt, or drop a dark energy packet worth 10 times the regular packets. To activate the arch, the roller must switch sides. The effect of each actuator lasts 20 seconds, and it cannot be triggered again within 30 seconds except for the arch. When the arch is set to decrease to half the speed of the conveyor belt, a team must wait 50 seconds to reactivate it. The lights next to each actuator will let the teams know when it can be activated again.
However, since Ultron turned against him, your father's plan fell apart. When Wakanda opened its doors to the world, Tony specifically asked to place the game right here, since it would be well protected thanks to our energy dome.
So this game could help build a suit of armor around the world?
Technically, yes. But didn't you hear me when I said that it failed?
It failed because Ultron became self-aware since it was powered by the Mind Stone, which kinda acts like a mind of its own. As long as we don't use anything like that to power it, we can pick up where my dad left off. I'm sure my high school's robotics team could build a robot capable of playing the game.
Hold up! You want me to trust a bunch of teenage girls with the Tony Stark's plan? Are you out of your mind?
Okay, so I see that you're not really on board with this, but look, if my father didn't have faith in this game, he wouldn't have left it to me.
But that's not all. Let me show you. The game is now overseen by the CRC, an initiative put in place to recruit the world's brightest minds to collaborate with the Avengers. To prove your team is worthy, they must also create a kiosk, a video, a tutorial, a website, and be really good at programming. This February, they will be at Vanier College.
Shuri, I'm positive we can make this work.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until February. Not more, not less. Just to create a robot capable of playing the game. If you can do it, then we'll talk about reinitiating the program. But if you can't do it, you drop the project, okay? You drop it. Deal?
That's all the permission I needed.
You didn't even need my permission. You would have done it anyways.
Yes, ma'am. Call Shuri again. I have something to tell her.
What now? You've called me 3 times already.
Let me just show you the robot.
My team based at St. Marceline College in Montreal ran several tests to build the best robot for Flip. The drivetrain has 2 centered pneumatic wheels for extra grip, each driven by 2 motors for power and speed. 4 Omni wheels allow stability and fluid rotation so the robot can quickly reach actuators across the field. A pivoting extendable arm at the center of the robot is designed to trigger all the actuators. It rotates vertically and horizontally to optimize positioning. The arm holds an element to trigger the ball, and mushroom actuators, and another one to flip the roller on each arch. An element extruding from the base triggers the hinged plates.
Impeccable work. Your father would be so proud of you.
By the way, I found another file.